Alright, if you're receiving this video, it's because you are guilty of not turning in your homework or your classwork or quarantine day 1. So, I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt, say it's the craziness of the situation, you're learning computer technology, whatnot, you get some grace. Here, I'm going to walk you through how to find it. Alright, so you go to, of course, Schoology. If you're my 7th grader, you go to whichever class I have you in. You go to the website and you find the day. Now this is today. You can see if you're a 6th grader, you click here, you had 2 days to do the work. If you're a 7th grader, you click here, you had 2 days to do the work. That's today's work. But if you've got this email, it's because you didn't do these days' work. So let's imagine you're a 7th grader. You are supposed to take the Risk and Exploration Analyzing Literature test. This is the pathway to get there. Now you also have your homework. I'll do some clarification videos on that. But let me walk you through, show you how to get there. So you go back to whichever class you have me in on Schoology, Resources and Assignments, Risk and Exploration, Assessments and Tests. It's the first one here. You need to read this first. I recommend printing it out so you have it in front of you on the desk, and then do the multiple choice. Oops, it's only 6 questions, and you get 3 times to do it. You can do this. All right. The same process is for every day's work. Go to the website, see what it is, take the pathway to find it, and click on it. So this is today's work. Again, you read this first, print it as my recommendation, and then you do the multiple choice. So essentially it's Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So you get 2-ish days overlapping to do each section of this test. Okay, I hope that clarifies things. Again, I'll be in this Google Meet every instructional day from 7:15 to 11:15. You can join me with this link. I've sent it out. You can also find it in Schoology under Digital Lessons. We'll meet here. Or if your computer's not working, you can call in and we can talk, use our voices. Of course, you're always welcome to email me. Have a happy quarantine.